Let me show you how to make the best almond cookies with no flour, just almond meal. These cookies are so simple to make and have this rich, nutty flavor. And they have this delicious chewy center with slightly crisp edges. To make these almond cookies, first crack open 2 eggs and separate the yolks from the egg whites. Pick out any shell pieces that fall in, then pour the egg whites into your mixing bowl. Then add 100 grams of caster sugar to the bowl and mix with an electric mixer on medium speed until it looks frothy and slightly thickened. I add the sugar in 2 parts for more even mixing. Caster sugar works best for this recipe, but if you don't have any, then regular granulated sugar will be okay also. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then, add 1 tablespoon of orange zest and give it another quick mix, just to combine everything. Next, add half a teaspoon of almond extract, and then add 200 grams of ground almonds, which is also known as almond meal. Use a spatula to fold in the almond meal until the dough will become thick and somewhat sticky, as you can see in the video here. Next, drizzle a bit of oil on your hands and then roll the dough into balls about the size of a golf ball, as you can see me doing here. Then gently roll the dough ball in almond flakes to coat the outside. Press the flakes lightly into the dough so that they stick well. Then, place each cookie on a baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. You should get about 9 cookies from this recipe. Bake the cookies in preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until your kitchen smells absolutely amazing and the edges of the cookies and almond flakes are a bit golden brown. These almond cookies have a rich, nutty flavor with a delightfully chewy center and slightly crisp edges, and I like to sprinkle some powdered sugar over the top for a touch of sweetness and a pretty finish. If you like this almond meal cookie recipe, then check out also my classic shortbread cookie recipe topped with roasted almonds. It uses regular flour, but has that same wonderful nutty flavor that goes so well with a cup of tea or coffee. Check it out now.